wiase de wotumi nya wotumi fa obi te se wo papa anasa wo maame a wo gine di pa me akua ntwu akora e bia tomida wotumi fa obi de ye wo maame preko pe anasa wo papa won samu nyina wotumi de ka e kire no se be wadagyamu wo maame a wo kora wotumi nyi wadagyamu e kire na so se ne pe wotumi gine di ama wadagyamu samu nyina wotumi de gu abonten e kire no yesebe wotumi yi wakosu adompo esu afu kakra me pese mi yi o na we de a kire sanse wo dro ene trust e wo ne ne mienu ntamti sebe pompo aboho ne wa afe ho a kire no na so wo maame won fe kire no asem we bia to yes sister Afia Schwarznegger ene father Dickson entem yes sana Afia Schwarznegger wafa eye father Dickson UTV na da fo preko pani bibia woka ne nsam nyina e kire no na we Afia pa se woka ne nsam na e kire father na father nso e de gu abontinti Afia se ne nsam ne bi wo ho a e ba abontin na dream aye ne na ase asem we de ne ba abonti wo ye underground works wo ye nsam efifi nsam na se father e na e de ne nsam no e ba abonti na asem we e ye asem kese pa wo say UTV e ye United Showbiz Miss V host program e was so no aya kwa mi A+ mu nyina tra so ola Michael mu nyina na ya MC mu nyina tra so te celebrities a lot e tra so into wo mo ko trans na te se Afia Schwarznegger e ho nsam e bam na nsam no aya kase wo mo ko tra show ni so nyina de Afia so obebi obia na daka so obi akata na daka so a che wo bebie so efi father Dickson so ekosi eye kwa me A+ so ekosi Miss V na kasa so ekosi MC ya no so jesu wo bia wo la Michael wo bia benya ne de semotimi aye mi se wanya gide of father mo aka na se ma beda bonten dia ene mo so mo ntwa me Afia se ne ebeyi eye mo dia wo de me ntie sister Afia eya wo ne esu ene dadwo a wo twa e de bo eye father echie mpo no wasi nana mama grafia ofi UTV nyina eye father Dickson tina ofiri wo mayente sister Afia.
For the past 12-15 years I lived with my father. He never saw me naked. Me ba Romy will say na me de me yari a chiraw na na nkro na me de me bia na me shout now is the die has been cast and I'm telling you me fa call no na ni yiri ti fie na ni yiri so sa wo ba we ofe weja ni yiri ti fie na ni yiri so. I am so disappointed that me said Father, nobody can trust you the way I trusted you. Nobody. I would have died for you to live, knowing that you have my back, my interest at heart. Father, I trusted you more than my biological father. I told you things I couldn't tell my father. I opened my nudity. Father, shed the ayame. Father, shed the ayame. Me ye operation me run me home. Na me de my deja show. Papa shed me scar. Papa shed me scar. Na me operation some nam social media. And I didn't know who was doing it. I didn't know who was doing it. I never knew. Yeah, boy. Banami kaunyansa sem enyantiatiemu. Enti wutina TV na so na mema mienu. A omote panelists no so edi wo no. Ya na wo judge nkofo no feel saying. Wutina ho na mema mienu omote program no so omadi. In fact, when ba ko awo. As a woman, ya na wo feel say ya boy. Ana we tofina wo we wo kwatawala kware nti no. E ma wo hu ano. Na as a woman to woman, what me share be mani ya mani do? That's weird. What me share be mani ya? Now in the space of 3 hours, now we do because on to me for one coffee. No we do ewa bonting. Ya boy. Me house girl, Mary's got a only die a woman. I don't think I'm feeling some of a camera be a movie. Me now call me a penny. Na me a penny, na me share me call a bremu ye. Said a bear me penny if you marry lassie. Yende me carpet to so down a year busa Father Dickson. Because me time I know ya me papa no. You could me cram by catcher no. And that is why I'm so disappointed. Sir Father Dickson, Utimika and Kofon was sent those call celeb. Father Dickson, Ghana for most our post na me yen na no. Obi custom for Father home and so I needed to do that post to confirm it. And me shame because that is not my father. The Father Dickson I know will not do that. So I was shocked. I was so shocked that the Father Dickson I know will not do that. And then I posted the thing. And in less than 2 hours, as those called celebs said, Okofre Father, na Father, Eba, Asana me babe kanyam na mako Father na akache those called celeb, and na mibe cheche matremo. Na mibe cheche mu Father, celebrity be after Father. Do you know why the United Showbiz is collapsing? It's collapsing because all the celebrities, yesterday, 3 days ago, 4 days ago, call Samayeno. People don't understand that you want celebrities to come to your program, but you will pay those cost celeb to promote that show. Oh, we are no abedi at time. Media me odidi matama meseno. Or your nipa or your bow champion when you any mumra. Until me find any manager say, oh, ye be yeta. On yen and then class name. So when you but Nanama McBrown program so father said you're winning McBrown city. Said you McBrown fell bra penny father. Me afia de you me free more. Say me what the yemi and yahe because question a boy here. Say me father what the yemi and yahe. Esa say question and a boy here. What's in the year McBrown? Now father, how do you feel? How do you feel after everything those celeb have said about McBrown? And you want McBrown to interview those celeb? How do you feel? How do you feel? Me and let me catch you Father Dickson. The quiet, the entire McBrown judgment I may catch on there. No, me, I'm not a hypocrite. I am not a hypocrite, and I'll not sit on it for 1 minute. Now, before I address the situation, I will address every corner of it.
Tie purchases is saying no kwase ujinipa edi bebresa ya. Enu kwase asem we etumi to obi a anti e wo so obi anso edi bi etu ne hofo. Etwe ntwa akram.